between identical and fraternal twins. And with identical twins, they're called monozygotic. So monozygotic, mono meaning one, means that one zygote is formed. With fraternal twins are dizygotic. Di means two, so two individual zygotes are formed. So let's look at how that happens. So this is the egg here, and this is our sperm, and you can see the sperm is very small compared to our large egg. And if we were to look in the microscope, you would see that a human egg is very, very large, and a human sperm is very, very tiny. That's because the egg carries all that good information, and what the sperm brings is the genetic information, which is all it needs to bring. So with your monozygotic twins, what happens is one sperm fertilizes this one egg. Now in a normal situation, this would then go down into the uterus, and then we would have gestation for about 9 months, and then a baby would be born. That's how most individuals are born, one at a time. But in this case, the special case of monozygotic twins or identical twins, this one zygote then splits into two individuals. So now we have two genetically completely the same individuals. These are essentially clones genetically of each other. They both travel down into the uterus and gestate for about 9 months, and you're born with two individuals that are going to be boy-boy or girl-girl. You can never have a boy-girl set of identical twins because they have to have the same genes, the XX for girls and the XY for boys. So these are your identical twins. With identical twins, these are pretty rare. There's actually no known cause. Scientists aren't sure why this happens. It's just an extra set of cell divisions that happens. And it's about 1 in every 250 births that this happens. So it's just a random chance that this will happen anytime there's a fertilization event. So no reason for that. But when we look at fraternal twins, again, dizygotic, so two zygotes or two eggs are going to be ovulated at the same time from the mother, and that is unusual. Usually it's only one at a time. So in this case, we have two eggs from a hyper-ovulating mother, and then we have two sperm from the father. So you can see that they're different colors because they're different genetically. So these individuals have their own genes. They are not clones of each other. They're actually no more related than normal siblings who are born years apart. So these are your dizygotic twins. So these can be, again, boy-boy, they could be girl-girl, or they could be girl-boy because they are unique genetically. The odds of this are going up dramatically. So since the 1980s, the amount of multiples, not just twins, but triplets and quadruplets have gone up due to all the fertility treatments that people are undergoing. But actually, twins without fertility treatments occurs for multiple reasons. So there are certain populations that have higher incidences of fraternal twins. So older mothers are more likely to have fraternal twins. Populations from Africa are more likely to have fraternal twins as well. And the mother who is going to have fraternal twins is called a hyperovulating mother, and she inherits that. That is a genetic thing. So there are specific genes now that we know you can pass on in the maternal line to that mother to allow her to ovulate more than one egg at a time. So it is something that you inherit, and that's what the mother inherits. It has nothing to do with the father specifically. So the mother has to ovulate those two eggs at the same time.